Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is ITMASTER-TECHNEWS channel. Before the beginning of the new video, I would like to say that all the devices I am unboxing or reviewing, this is buy on my own money. There is no advertisement, there is no commercial. I am not doing some kind of advertisement. I am saying my opinion, so you can get the info before you buy something from the following shown in my videos. So let's move on. We are going to unbox the Gear IconX. This one is the released before the buds. The buds I did in separate video. The buds are very new. They just released like 5 days ago. These came after this, so replace this one is the 2018 and this one is 2019 model. So let's move and see what it's. It is the made in Vietnam. As you can see, the back side is Gear IconX. This is also from United Arab Emirates. It's from Dubai, Samsung store. So this part has only Arabic writings. And this says the Gear IconX. Okay, let's move on and open the box. Okay, here we have this type of box, which includes the case, which is opening like this. This is for charging as well. It has a writing that model number and the serial number. And there is a USB Type-C charging part, and this is the Bluetooth pairing button, because these ones are pairing when they are in the box. When we open it, so here is the actually buds themselves. It's a gray color. It has this type of design. Actually, it's very similar to the buds that's released this year, but these ones are little bigger than the ones that released this year, but still they perform very well. I can say again that I am not this fan of this type of earbuds. Even I don't like the AirPods. I like those ones with the cabling. I will do the review soon for the JBL. I get it, it's on the way to me. So let's see what's inside, what's the box copying. Okay, there is instructions, so type of changeable parts for the earbuds in case you need to other size, like bigger or smaller. And what else? And we have here the USB Type-C cable and the USB to micro USB Type-C converter and USB to micro USB converter. This package has a lot of things inside and nothing more there. So let's put everything back. This is good. Samsung did a well job, so put all kind of converters in case you are using still the old type of jacks. So this is it. Actually, for the charging, we are putting them like this, and when you close, it shows that both earbuds are inside and they are charging. After you will get the green light, it means that we are done. That's what I wanted to share. Please hit subscribe, like button, and share if you find my video useful for your friends or your colleagues. Please help me to reach 1000 subscribers. It's easy for you, useful for me. Stay well, stay cool. See you in the next video. Bye bye.